Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram login issue. Sorry, there was a problem with your request and iPhone. If you're using Instagram on your iPhone but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with your account, you see a pop-up message or error that sorry, there was a problem with your request on Instagram. So let's see how can you fix that. You have to go back from here first, and then you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. After that, you can also try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. Go back, open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Then go back from here and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open App Store, go for search, and just have to search for Instagram here, and you have to make sure that you have any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your app. After updating, go back from here and you have to open your settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go back from here, go for iPhone storage section, look for Instagram app, and here very first you have to double check that you have entered correct informations, your username, your email address, your phone number, or and your password. Once you have checked, you have to retry. Or if you're still facing the same issue, tap on this offload app section, then tap on offload app, and after that, try to offload your app. After offloading, you just have to reinstall your Instagram on your iPhone, and after reinstallation, your issue must be fixed. If you're still facing any kind of issue, so it might be a server error, you just have to wait for up to 1 hour, and then you have to retry, and after that, you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.